Runners racing towards reading success. Let's go over this strategy and then actually apply it. For this video, you will need your coach book and your runner's bookmark. R in runner stands for read the title. U is underlining your keywords in your questions. Are they from the book or do you need your brain for them? N, notice your text features, photographs, pictures, drawings, headings, titles, bold words, all of those things. Numbered paragraphs is also important. Now, read and take notes. You can take notes right on your passage if possible, or get out a scrap sheet of paper and take notes on there. Eliminate wrong answers, slash the trash. Read all your answer choices for the questions you've already read, and cross out anything that's obviously wrong based on your keywords and your notes. R, reread your possible answer choices. What are you left with? What's possible? Reread them. And finally, S, select the best answer. You will now need to pause the video and get to page 56 in your coach book. I'm going to be reading right from there. R, read the title. Well, on this page there is no title, but it might be fiction because that's what it's been taught. That's what we've been talking about. And if you turn back one page, it talks about types of literature or fiction. That's my prediction here. U, underline keywords in the questions. Well, here is the question. What kind of literature is this passage? Literature is a keyword because that confirms my prediction of fiction. It's asking what type of literature. That's what that means. What type of literature is this passage, and how do you know? How is usually a brain question. How do I know something? That's a brain question. N, notice the text features. There's no title, no headings, no bold print, but there is a picture of an elephant over a table, and it says happy birthday with balloons and ribbons everywhere. Must be someone's birthday. That must be what this piece of literature is about. Now, read and take notes. There's really only 4 things I need to underline in this in terms of notes that were key to identifying the type of literature. I woke up this morning with one thing in my head. I rubbed my eyes hard and rolled out of bed. Today is the day I like more than the rest. Today is my birthday, the day I love best. Best and rest are the end of the lines and they rhyme. Bed and head end the line and they rhyme. So I have that matching rhyming words at the end of each line. What type of literature could this be? E, eliminate wrong answers. There are no choices for this. It was not a multiple choice question. But it is either a story, drama, or poetry. How do I know that? Because the question said what type of literature. Well, these are the 3 types of literatures we've studied. So these are literature. I'm down to 3 choices. Good, so I've eliminated and kind of made it a multiple choice even though it wasn't. That's what you can do for eliminate wrong answers when it's not multiple choice. Reread possible answers. Drama, poetry, and story. Let's see. Drama, there's no dialogue or stage directions in this piece of literature. Poetry, there's rhyme in this piece of literature. And then for a story, there's no chapters, and there's not really a plot. It just talks about how the person feels about their birthday. So we get to ask now, select the best answer. This piece of literature is poetry because of the rhyme at the end of each line. Each line rhymes, and it lacks story or drama, so it has to be poetry.